What's going on, everybody? It's Scooter from the Reynolds team. Hope you guys are enjoying at least some of these warm days that have been going on. I feel like the weather is so wacky. We're in that weird part of spring where, one minute it's sunny and beautiful, the next minute it's like windy and cold. I think it was like raining 45 minutes ago. I don't know. But I'm excited because I just got to my house. And believe it or not, I am a Raving fan. So before I actually worked for the Reynolds team, I was just like you, looking to buy and sell a home. And we reached out to Sarah Reynolds. And after talking with her, we knew right away that the Reynolds team is the direction we wanted to go. And so we ended up going with them and actually using them not once, but twice. And then I actually started working for them. And so, but even so, I'm still a Raving fan. So I still introduce our team to people who are looking to buy and sell a home, which you can do at any moment and become part of our Raving Fans Club. But what I noticed was, as I was walking up to my door, is I noticed a little special gift here. Let's see if I can actually flip the screen. So I looked and look at that. This is what I saw as I came up to my front door, which is always such a good thing. You walk up to your door and sometimes I have old newspapers or random kids' toys, but I found the little red box we all get excited about. So I thought, why don't we open this bad boy together and see what we got. So this is this month, so let me open it up. We can all enjoy this together. So if I got mine, that means other people should be getting theirs as well. Now, what I didn't account for was how hard it'd be to open this box while holding a phone. But I bet if I try hard enough and I put all of my power to good use, I can figure this out. All right, hold on 1 second. Let's actually just turn this guy. I decided to do it right here in front of you. Let's see. All right, 2 hands. This is much better. They're so fancy and kind of like a riddle to open. I think mine got taped shut. There we go. All right. All right, so let's see in this one. So we got our nice message here. Thank you from the Reynolds team, of course, always. All right. Got a nice little sticker. Look at that. Good work, Peachy, on this nice sticker you made here. And let's see what we got. Oh, look at this. Time zone alarm clock that's also a diffuser. Look at that. So I guess while it's in there, you can not only know the time, but you can have your room smell good. I mean, I'm pretty sure my wife likes how I make our room smell, just with just being me, just me living in the room. So she might think we might not need this because I just smell so great to begin with that, we probably don't need help making the room smell good because I just naturally make it smell fantastic. So, I mean, other people that have stinky husbands, this might work, but for me, I mean, I'm my own diffuser, but this is amazing. So look at that. Let's actually open this thing up. I love this. I feel like they always give you kind of creative gifts. Last one was a personal crock pot with it being cold. We've had personalized gifts before. And literally all you have to do is introduce the team to somebody who's looking to buy or sell a home. They don't even have to actually end up going with us. Really, if they just have questions, you get into the club and right away you get to go to the dinners, you get these free gifts for an entire quarter, which is totally awesome. So look at that. Wow, it actually looks better in person than it does in the picture. So it is actually bigger than I thought it would be. My wife's gonna actually be pretty excited about this because maybe she'll put it in our kitchen. All right, so look at that. So this is the clock diffuser, and I think it comes with some oil that you can already put in there to help out. So this is super awesome. All right, so let me flip on back on me because I'm sure you guys are all dying to know what I look like. So, all right, if you're interested in doing this, all you have to do is you can go to our website. You can check out Raving Fans Reynolds team, ravingfansclub.com. And that'll have all the details. But like I said, all you really have to do is introduce us to somebody. There's no gimmicks there. There's no, they don't have to sign anything or anything like that. We really just want to meet them and find more people that we can help that live around here. Oh, look, Tia Edwards is watching. Hi, Tia. Tia, I love your husband, Darnell. He's the greatest. But really, that's all you have to do. Oh, I need info. Delina Rush. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put the link in the comment section, because instead of me spouting it out and everyone trying to remember it, I'll put the link in there. But again, it's super easy. And I know my wife loves getting these gifts. We've gotten customized blankets before. There's been grill sets. There's a water bottle thing that I use literally all the time. So there's a lot of really, really good stuff. We've got the alarm clock diffuser for this gift, which I hope that you guys really, really enjoy. But hope you guys enjoy that. You know, I think I'm going to make this like a monthly thing. I think every time it shows up on my doorstep, I'm going to do a little unboxing with you guys. And we'll do creative ways to make it fun. But I hope you guys enjoy this month's gift. Thank you so much to everybody who has reached out to us and introduced us to somebody. I know we're going to have our Raving Fans dinner coming up soon this next month in April at Ruth Chris Steakhouse. I've heard that's pretty good. So I look forward to seeing all you guys there. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. So take care, and I'll put the link in the comments below.